Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate blocks in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and once you're in the Chrome it will simply take you to the browser. Then here you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put in your login credentials there, you have to just simply click on the edit site option here in the quick link section, and once you click on the edit site it will simply take you to a page like this. And here what you would like to do is just simply choose a text. Let's say I'd like to choose this one. This is a block, and then just simply click on the bold icon. Here you can see you have already bolded it, and you can just make it italic as well, and you can also just make it linked, or you can just also place it to align text in the center. You can also choose another block like this. That's how you can easily just navigate a block. And you can also choose this like this. Here you can see you have chosen to another block like that. We can also choose this one. Here you can see that we have already chosen a block like this. So that's how you can easily navigate a blocks in your WordPress site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.